The outside of this building in the small town of South Pittsburgh, Tennessee looks pretty ordinary and possibly abandoned. The inner works is a mystery to most that drive by, but inside might possibly blow your mind. Welcome to Ultimachine. We are a 3D printer electronic manufacturer. A 3D printer is a form of additive manufacturing where a three-dimensional object is created from a digital file. The printer can use many different materials which are melted and extruded in layers to build the object up.
We began Ultimachine back in 2009 after we read about 3D printing, thought it was a really cool technology. So we opened a web store and we began selling the ink for the printers, which is filament, and along with electronics and other supplies. And we also collaborated with other people that were into 3D printing and began to help improve and grow that technology more. And here we are today. Our business has grown from assembling circuit boards on our coffee table to an awesome team that can produce about 500 circuit boards a day.
Now we are going to take you through a step-by-step of how Ultimachine makes a circuit board. The board is brought into the first machine on a conveyor belt. This machine is called a stencil printer, which prints solder paste onto the board in appropriate volumes for each joint. Next, it goes into the picking place machine, where it picks up the individual parts off the reels and places them in their appropriate place on the board. Then, it goes into the oven, where the solder melts into one molten solder joint. Then, it goes through the automated optical inspection, where it takes pictures to make sure each component was successfully soldered into one place. Lastly, it goes on to magazines, where they can be transported to other parts of the shop to finish assembly. And that is all for today's episode of How It's Made.
3D printing is anyone's guess. This technology has the ability to impact a vast majority of industries and our lives. We're seeing 3D printing now in bioengineering, food, clothing, prosthetics, interior design, just to name a few. And we see it continuing to grow, and we hope to be able to continue to grow with it.